Welcome to American Baker in Germany. I'm Michelle, and today I have a nice, quick and easy tutorial for you, and we are talking about cream of tartar. What is it? What can you substitute for it if you can't find it? So let's get started.
First of all, what is cream of tartar? Cream of tartar has nothing to do with cream at all. It's an acid called tartaric acid. It's a byproduct of winemaking. It's a white powder that looks like this. What does it do? It gives a slightly sour taste to baked goods, stabilizes egg whites, and aids in the rising of baked goods. Now, it's really difficult to find in Germany. It basically doesn't exist. So what can you substitute for it if you can't find it? Let's start with my favorite, powdered citric acid. It's available around here in just about every grocery store. You can substitute it 1-to-1 for cream of tartar. 1 teaspoon powdered citric acid for 1 teaspoon cream of tartar. Substitute number 2, liquid citric acid, also widely available in Germany. It's typically sold next to the oil and vinegar in grocery stores. This is less concentrated than powdered citric acid, so you need a 2-to-1 substitution ratio. 2 teaspoons citric acid for 1 teaspoon cream of tartar. Substitute number 3, clear white vinegar, widely available everywhere. Also a 2-to-1 ratio necessary, 2 teaspoons vinegar for 1 teaspoon cream of tartar. The negative here is the taste of the vinegar. It can sometimes linger, so should only be used in foods that have a strong enough flavor to cover up the taste. Substitute number 4, freshly squeezed lemon juice, the most widely available and tastes the best. Also a 2-to-1 substitution ratio, 2 teaspoons freshly squeezed lemon juice for 1 teaspoon cream of tartar. It's a very effective substitute and is probably the best bet for those who can't find citric acid. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you and that you can find the best substitute for cream of tartar for your recipes. See you again next time! For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website, AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future videos.